Hey there, how are you? Did you know that you can control how the status of your records transition in Dynamics 365 and Power Apps? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Hey everyone, just to let you know that my videos are now also being hosted here, the channel with the cutest cat. Please give Spark a big thumbs up and show him all your love by hitting that subscribe button. Not long ago, I did a video on how to expand the choices for status reason, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. But in this video, I will show you how to control how the transition between statuses happen. Let's get to it. Firstly, while you can set your options in the modern experience, to control how they transition, you still need to go into Classic. Switch to Classic, then expand entities, the table you want, and go into Field. When you find status code, double click. A new window opens, and on the top menu there's this button, Edit Status Reason Transition. Here you can now set to what status can the record transition to from a given starting point. In this scenario, we are working with support cases and we are not really using active. Watch the other video I spoke about, okay? But this can be set up for any kind of scenario. So active can transition to new, and new can transition to ongoing or cancelled if the case is not to be taken any further. Ongoing can transition to resolve and then again to cancel, and resolved can evolve to ongoing should you have some kind of logic for reopening cases. Cancelled can transition to inactive. And this is important because there needs to be at least one route leading to inactive. So we can't use this to stop users from inactivating. Finally, don't forget to enable the feature. Save this. Close this window, close this one as well, and let's play the app. Remember, from new, the records can go to ongoing or to cancel. So let's open a record and see what options we have. And as you can see, now we have only the allowed options available. Really cool, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! How was the video? Was it helpful? If so, please like, comment, and subscribe to help spread the word. Thanks!